What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing review of the Hybridracing 70mm throttle body adapter. I'm also going to be comparing it with my K-Tune 70mm throttle body adapter as well. This one actually is 7mm and it's also I think 62 or 64, I'm not too sure, but it's pretty old. I got it about a couple years ago, but I'm going to tell you why I went with this one instead of this one. So here we got obviously the Hybridracing one, and then we have the K-Tune one. I went with the Hybridracing one because it has two MPT 1/8 MPT vacuum ports, which is crucial if you're relocating your vacuum lines and you don't want to drill into your RBC. The reason why I got it is because I have an RBC and it sits a lot higher. So when I went to adjust my mounts to the K20 setting, by the way, which I'm running Hassport's EGK2 mounts. I needed to cut the hood, obviously, but the RBC sits higher, and I had to cut a lot more. And my bar fitting on the top, I'm gonna put a picture for you guys to see. Got in the way of the hood, so I dented my hood a little bit, and I have to relocate it because it did bend. So I'm gonna get into it and then show you guys. So obviously when you open the box, here is the part number, by the way. You got a nice Hybridracing sticker, the hardware to mount it with two vacuum ports plugs. You got the MPT right there, the two MPT 1/8 MPT plugs and brush washers. And here we have the actual adapter itself. So here's the MPTs right there. You can tell pretty identical. Sorry, pretty identical. They're obviously made of the same material. Obviously made of the same material. But yeah, the reason why I went with the Hybridracing one is because of these ports. I have noticed that CarSet makes one as well, but that was a little bit pricey. I mean, they're both about the same price, but I was able to score this one from Street Rays, which I'll put them in the description for a really good price. So if you guys are interested, go check them out. They also have an eBay page, and then they have their regular website as well. But yeah, let's go. Let me rip this off. And alright, so I have removed the plastic from it. Closer look from it. I'm not sure if this is aluminum, but it feels the same as the K-Tune one. Comparison, see how this one has the MPT ports. I'm pretty sure if you're pretty crafty and you got all the tools, you can actually drill it here and then tap it. But yeah, see 7mm as well. There's the K-Tune, obviously has their logo on top. I did scratch it a little bit. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna conclude this video. If you guys are interested and have any questions regarding these, I am going to be making a video installing it on the car as well, and detailing why I went with this, and pretty much if you have Hassport EGK2 mounts and want to run the K20 setting on the K24, you know what to expect. That's going to conclude the video. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, comment, concern, leave them in the bottom. Thank you for watching.